In this video, I will show you how to lock and unlock keyboard on Windows 11 PC. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and press and hold the right shift key for 8 seconds. So make sure to do it for 8 seconds. And after that, you'll hear a beep and see a pop-up asking to enable filter keys. So let's go ahead and try this out. So on this pop-up, make sure to click on the yes button to lock the keyboard, and to be able to unlock it, you just need to press and hold the right shift key again for 8 seconds, and this will pop on your screen all over again. So you just need to click on yes again to be able to unlock your keyboard on Windows 11 PC. And that is how you can lock and unlock keyboard on Windows 11 PC. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.